All too often, we see leaders focus on security as something that can be accomplished through a framework, through a process, when actually it needs to be approached through ingenuity. You cannot deal with tomorrow's threats using today's framework that was based on yesterday's experience. How do you keep moving forward while at the same time continuing to stay protected? Leaders today are worried, they're nervous, they're anxious, they have a sense of disquietude. How do I know, how do I have certainty that investment of resources will deliver the outcome I seek to achieve? Texas Instruments had this system, the DST-40, that was considered at the time unbreakable. Well, you say unbreakable to a bunch of hacker-minded computer scientists, and they're going to say, challenge accepted.